you can see here, I've gradually translated this one into stitch. But how do you start? So I would put out all my threads and I'd kind of audition threads up to see what colours worked best with this collection. Now, every time I do this, I've got a different selection of threads because I use some of them up. If I'm using heavier threads, they get used up really quickly. So I haven't got the same threads every time. So every time I come to look at this particular drawing, and I'm going to redo this one again today, it will be different. I love that because it's kind of it's a different day, it's a different approach. I've got a different attitude, got different threads. So this mix that I bring to a piece of work varies on every occasion. And I'm going to pull together a series of threads that I see. Today I see these colours in this piece of work. Tomorrow I might see different colours. But we can see these greens in here. I really like the warm colours in this piece. So yeah, I'm going to just work different colours into this. And like I say, it would be different on every occasion. I might have a bit of a sparkly day and add a bit of sparkle in. Might have a bit of a shiny day, add a bit of sheen in there, metallic-y tones. Gather all these threads together so that I don't have to keep leaving the sewing machine, coming to find something new. What I am looking for though in the threads are lots of different weights. So I've got hand embroidery thread, I've got 50 weight cotton, I've got some other threads over here. I quite like this one.
Nice and shiny.
It's lovely and shiny. This is a Wonderfil, not 12 weight, 8 weight rayon. So for the uninitiated, the smaller the number, the thicker the thread. This is 8 weight. This one is 50 weight, so this is thinner than this.
And if I may, I'm fascinated by the fact that most people look at those as hand threads, but you're going to use them on the sewing machine.
I'm going to use them on the sewing machine. I'm going to couch with them and work upside down.
Lovely. Okay.
So it's kind of invisible, or blind sewing. I can't really see what I'm doing while I'm doing it, and I like the unknown quality. I like the unknown element to the work. There's discovery every time I do something. I don't always know how it's going to turn out.
Wow.
And I like that because then it's a surprise and I'm learning something on every occasion.
So would you put your heavier threads into the bobbin then to use it?
Yeah. They go into the bobbin and I'll show you in a minute how I'm going to hand wind some of those on.